Hey, what's up you guys? This is Hunting, Fishing, Jeeping, and today I'm going to do a review and switch installation for my Lightbar on my Jeep Cherokee XJ. As you can see right here, that's the 50-inch Lightbar that I got online. I ordered these custom brackets on eBay, which I personally love. They're really secure. They're a non-invasive bracket, so there's no drilling or anything. There's 2 clamps. I forget the guy's name on eBay, but he's really great. You should check him out. I'll put a link below. And then this is just I don't even know the brand. I got off of eBay. It's like 70 bucks, and then the wiring harness. So as you can see here, I just loosely hit the fucking good dumbasses.
Those are our neighbors.
So as you can see here, I already unhooked the battery so I don't shock the shit out of myself. And I just got the relay on here. It's not even attached yet. Just messy because I want to. I'll do a final installation of all this. All right, so I'm gonna get to it.
Sweet.
So I'm just gonna pop this radio bezel off quick here. Come on, bitch. Ooh, never sounds good with the Jeeps, but what are you gonna do? God, nothing broken, thank God. All right, so I got this out. I just put in my new Pioneer head unit, Bluetooth aux cord. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this out and see what we got for wires behind it and see where I can run it. I think I'm gonna run it up through here and probably tie it in with the wiring harness that goes to the head unit. I'm pretty new at all this stuff, so I'm kind of learning as I go, so just bear with me. So we'll see what we can do. Pop this off quick. Make sure I don't lose any of my screws. All right. One more screw here. Alright, so as you can see, there's a spare little bay for a 3rd rocker switch. I'm probably just going to cut that out or use a Dremel and kind of work the switch in there. But for now, I'm just going to disconnect this and see what I got behind there. And then I'm just going to pop this off and see what we got going over there. Oh, what the hell is this? What? Old Copenhagen can.
Let's get a Coke close up.
Fucking focus, there we go. Copenhagen. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop this off and then we'll get back. Right, so I just got the temporary switch down here. There it goes. White, red, black. Pop these things off here. And 3. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna back these wires a little bit back. Actually, I'm gonna bring it toward me. And then I'm just gonna cut these right here. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So what I'm gonna do, I have some. I'm just gonna strip these back. Like I said before, I'm pretty new at this. Alright.
How's the wiring job going, Ron?
Good, just gotta run the wires.
perfect. Why the fuck is this thing looking all shitty?
Let's see where the wiring thing comes out. See where the fucking wires do. Through, and she works.
Bang, bang, bang.
So I ran the wires through, put them up through the bottom there. I'm gonna hook up the relay and stuff and make that look pretty up there. And yeah, I just got the I'm gonna hook up the temporary switch. And then I'm just gonna wait for the other rocker switch to come in. So that's basically it. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos of us hunting, fishing, and jeeping. Peace.